Top 10 Scientifically Impossible Places on Earth. Among the many mysteries in the world, there are places that actually exist on the planet Earth, which were kept hidden from the world over many years, or whose existence is beyond the scope of science. Let's dig into the top 10 mysterious places on our planet. But before we go on, don't forget to click like and subscribe for more content of amazing facts. Number 10. The Boiling River. A river found in the Amazon rainforest that is astonishing for being a river that is near a boiling point at all times. The water temperature reaches up to 93 degrees Celsius. The steam coming off the surface of the water is an obvious sign to all living creatures that they can't risk their lives swimming in it. It is believed to be entirely natural and geothermal, since the river is not near any active volcanoes or geothermal bends. However, it is quite unusual. Number 9. MOVILE Cave. MOVILE Cave, located in Romania. It was discovered in 1986 after being isolated from the outside world for millions of years. One of the most fascinating things about this cave is that it lacks photosynthesis, and oxygen in the cave is around a third of what is normally found in the atmosphere. Around 33 of the 48 species found in the cave so far are endemic, as they can't be found anywhere else in the world. Number 8. Lightning. The crazy lightning occurs in the western Venezuela, right over the Catatumbo River. This lightning occurs 140 to 160 times, 9 hours per day, and from 16 to 40 times per minute, which is truly insane as it is so much lightning. Its colorful characteristics make it even more fascinating, and another jaw-dropping fact is that this lightning doesn't produce any thunder. It just changes its frequency up from time to time, and at one point, it stopped for a few weeks and then came back, putting it right back on our list of mysteries. People are trying to figure out the origin of the lightning, but are still not sure. Number 7. Mount RORAIMA. This mountain is found on the border of Venezuela, Brazil, Indiana. This is the highest mountain in this area, which has the features of an unusual tabletop. It's extremely hard to explore due to its steep slopes and its rough terrain. Getting permission to climb this mountain is a wholesome task because of its triple border. It is an ancient belief that the Mount of RORAIMA has a tree that produces all of the fruits and vegetables in the world. Instead, this mountain has over 5,000 different plant species that grow only there and nowhere else. Number 6. Point Nemo. Point Nemo is the most remote location on Earth. Point Nemo is surrounded by more than 1,000 miles of ocean in every direction, which makes it clear that it has no human inhabitants to live even close to Point Nemo. It is named Nemo as no humans live there. Nemo is a Latin word meaning no one. Point Nemo is actually known as the oceanic pole of accessibility because it is the furthest point away from land. Number 5. DoubleTree. This impossible to exist DoubleTree is located in Italy. It is a healthy cherry tree that is growing out of a mulberry tree. Not exactly the first case of a parasitic tree, but the surprising part is its terrific longevity. The DoubleTree is fully formed and healthy, and everyone wonders how the roots of the cherry tree were able to make its way through the trunk of the mulberry tree. Number 4. Cape Melville. Melville is the home to one of the lost world of the Earth. The surrounding wall granite boulders are hundreds of feet tall, but inside the stone wall isn't as mysterious as one of the more recent discoveries. It was unveiled that this area had been preserved in its natural state. Cape Melville is located in Australia and is only accessible by helicopter, and at least 3 new species were found with only 1 meter of scientific exploration. Number 3. KAWAH. This is the most remarkable and interesting place on Earth, located in Indonesia. The active volcano releases hot, flammable, sulfurous gases. These gases ignite when reacting with the oxygen-rich atmosphere of Earth and burned with a stunning blue flame. The flow of blue lava is quite astonishing. Another fascinating thing about this location is that there is a 1-kilometer wide caldera filled with turquoise blue water. This stunning turquoise-colored water is a result of the extreme acidity, as well as a high concentration of dissolved metals. Number 2. Devil's Kettle. One of Minnesota's greatest mysteries lies in the Devil's Kettle. as the Brule River flows through in order to make its way toward Minnesota State Park, where it drops 800 feet in an 8-mile span, producing several waterfalls. A giant pothole, the Devil's Kettle, swallows half of the Brule, and it is a little more mysterious as it seems to go nowhere. Number 1. HESSDALEN Valley. An area located in central Norway has these HESSDALEN lakes of unknown origin. They might appear on the day or the night, and most frequently these appeared between the end of 1981 to 1984, with 15 to 20 sightings per week. But later in 2010, sightings reduced to only 10 or 20 times annually. The lights are in the color white, yellow, or red, and sometimes they appear for only a few seconds, while rarely they stick around for over an hour. The strangest and weirdest thing is that these lights move, either insanely fast or just hovering around in there. It remains a mystery where these lights come from. Watch Amazing Facts for more top 10 amazing facts about the most interesting subjects. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon down below to never miss any updates.